decided to grant full membership to Afghanistan Cricket Board and Cricket Ireland. So I would like to congratulate them on becoming the full members, and I am sure that all our associates would be happy to see that.
And he makes a decent connection straight down the ground. There the...
Oh, that's a clobber of the onside. That's
swing and miss. Then a brilliant catch diving forward. Always difficult. Celebrating the victory for Afghanistan.
And that's it. And quite appropriately, Captain Marvel, Ashkar Stanikzai, hits the winning runs. This is the stuff of fairy tales. Who would have thought, after winning one game in the initial phase, Afghanistan will play in their second World Cup in 2019 in England and Wales.
This is how Afghanistan got off to a blistering start. It was the over of Mehdi Hassan.
Spot of border, but they were very, very aggressive, especially against Mehdi Hassan Miraj. There's a couple of big sixes laid down the order as well.
The captain, he came out and was...
so joy all around for Afghanistan. They have done a wonderful job. Celebrations for the Afghanistan side. So great scenes here in Dehradun.
Afghanistan, the winning percentage is absolutely spectacular.
A 3-0 whitewash for Afghanistan, and with this they climb to 8th position in the ICC T20I rankings with 91 points. They qualify for the first round of ICC T20 World Cup in Australia in 2020.
It is a truly historic occasion. Today, as the national cricket team of the Islamic Republic of Afghanistan plays its first international cricket test match. And it's a matter of great pride and immense pleasure that Afghanistan has chosen to play its maiden test match with India.
That's gone. That's going down the wicket. That's a fantastic shot.
Tries to catch it, and it is brilliantly. Peter Chase lasted just 3 deliveries, and Afghanistan deservedly win by 81 runs.
Googly. Leg break, he's checked it in the air. Fielder getting underneath it, takes it, it's a tie. Well, you wouldn't believe it. What a wonderful piece of captaincy to keep that man out.
نو الحمدلله اوس افغانستان د نړۍ په کچه د داسې یو لیګ خاوند دی چې د هغه څه زموږ ځوان کدرونه یا هغه استعدادونه چې د دې نه مخکې نه هېوادوالو لیدلي وه او نه نړیوالو د دغه لیګ په برکت سره زموږ هغه ځوان استعدادونه نور د نړۍ لیګونو ته لار پیدا کړل.
Well, indeed, it's a great day for Afghanistan cricket and Afghan itself. It's a proud moment for each individual involved in this great journey that Afghan cricket had over the last decade and a half. So it's an amazing day. It will be a real good platform for the youngsters who are not getting a chance to expose their talent around the globe. As Rashid rightly indicated, this could be a real good platform for all those talented young Afghans to showcase their talent on the global arena. And I'm sure in coming years we will see lots of young Afghan players playing in T20 franchise leagues, and also they might get a chance to represent their country.
There we go. In the arc. That will go all the way again.
And again. And that's even further. 6 more. Oh, goodness me.
And should get the same treatment up in the air this time on the offside. No cover there. Over long off.
Oh, another one. Goodness me.
And up again into the night sky. He's done it.
1 run to win. Oh, goes for the big one. And finishing in style. That's a fog maximum. And Balkar won by 4 wickets. What a win for them. They are the champions of the Gulbahar Afghanistan Premier League.
وروسته تر دې چې افغانستان د کرکټ نړیوالې شورا بشپړ غړیتوب ترلاسه کړ، خپل لومړنی کال په بریا پای ته ورساوه. په دې کې افغانستان خپل ټول دوه اړخیز سیریزونه چې د زیمبابوې، بنګلادیش او آیرلند په وړاندې ترسره شول وګټل. د 2019 کال نړیوال جام ته لار پیدا کړه. د هند په وړاندې تاریخي ټسټ لوبه ترسره شوه. په آسیا کپ کې د افغانستان ملي لوبډله ښه وځلېده. بنګلادیش او سریلانکا ته ماتې ورکړې او د هند سره لوبه مساوي کړه. او تر ټوله مهمه ده چې د افغانستان شلوریز غوره لیګ په بریا پای ته ورسید او د افغانستان د کرکټ په تاریخ کې یو بل فصل پیل شو.